is when my wife got pregnant, that from when she found out she was pregnant, we would not have sex for an entire year. And he says, you know, he's like, yo, I'm 26 years old. He's like, I would have never expected that would actually be an issue. I'm gonna be dealing with at 26 years old. So where is the grace? Like, how does that, like, basically, how does a man handle that? And should a man even expect some periods for a woman to pretty much be going through something so affecting that she's not able to perform in the bedroom?
This is why black women need to partake in polygamous marriages, because in the video he said that he had to wait a whole year to have intercourse with his wife. Now, if a man was in a polygamous marriage and he had more than one wife, then if one wife wasn't able to give him intercourse while she's pregnant, that's fine. He could have intercourse with the other wife, because too many times men overcompromise and they end up in sexless marriages and they're unhappy, you know, they're depressed, and then it leads to them cheating. If they had an agreement where, you know, he had two wives and everyone chipped in when it comes to cost of living, then life for everyone would be a whole lot better. Because if one wife is pregnant and she's not able to give out intercourse, then the other wife could give intercourse, and there's an agreement there, so no one would get heartbroken. Everyone is in agreement with the situation, therefore everyone is happy. It's a win-win situation. I think black women, you know, you should consider partaking more in polygamous marriages, because as it is, there's not enough black men to go around anyway, so why not do it? I mean, you share men, you're always going for the top 20% of men anyway, so why not be in a polygamous marriage? Because if you think about it, monogamy is not natural. Monogamy is recent. It's a Western philosophy. But as black people, we've always practiced polygamy in Africa before colonialism and the slave trade. So think about it. What can you lose?